Freedom and adventure on the road are calling your name with this one-of-a-kind motorhome. The Skydancer is a revolutionary game-changer in the RV world. It features a retractable roof that transforms it into, like, a giant convertible or a yacht on wheels. The masterminds behind it have already cranked out a limited number of these custom-built rides, and now they're gearing up for the big leagues. According to their plans, production starts at 50 units per year, kicking off in 2025. Customers can choose engines up to 180 horsepower with various interior design. The Skydancer offers plenty of room to roam, featuring a kitchen, bedroom, living room, and bathroom, just like any other motorhome. It's available in different lengths ranging from 6.5 to 7.5 meters to fit all your gear and furniture choices. And the price tag for this beauty? Expected to be around $187,000. In a world going remote work crazy, your office ain't stuck between four walls anymore. The living vehicle trailer lets you turn anywhere on the planet into your perfect work and life space. It blows the competition away with its self-sufficiency game. We are talking solar panels that can crank out almost 4 kilowatts, enough juice for 2 weeks when it's fully charged. This trailer's built for anything: a mobile office, a camping getaway, even a workshop. Load it up with whatever you need, from multi-screen computer setups to washing machines, so you can work or chill solo or with your crew. It sleeps 6 people super comfortably. And because of all these pimped out features, the price tag starts at like $300,000. When Korean tech meets a thirst for adventure, you get the Kia PV5 Wkndr, a total game changer for what a multi-purpose vehicle can be. Kia, the Korean car giant, picked the Specialty Equipment Market Association SEMA show in Las Vegas, USA, one of the biggest custom car shows on the planet, to drop their PV5 Wkndr concept. This thing is turning heads because it's giving us a sneak peek at the future PBV family of cars. The PV5 is going to come in different flavors: passenger, cargo, and camping. And it was the camping-ready Wkndr concept that they showed off at SEMA. Even though it's compact, at just 4.7 meters, the designers managed to squeeze in a dining area for 2. The inside's also super flexible, so you can kick back and relax inside the car. And a built-in roof tent means comfy sleeping is guaranteed. Picture this: a house that floats on water, blending the luxury of a yacht with the sleek style of a regular home. That's Arkup, a straight-up architectural masterpiece. The 75 model rocks 2 electric engines with a total power of 272 horsepower and a cruising speed of 9 kilometers per hour. With a jaw-dropping living space of 404 square meters, this floating home has 2 stories, 4 bedrooms with their own bathrooms, and 5 lounge areas. And the coolest part? The design is tough enough to handle a Category 4 hurricane. With a starting price of $3.5 million, can you see yourself living the on-the-water life? When Streamit unveiled the CyberLandr, they did not expect this kind of crazy response. Pre-orders went over $100 million. For $55,000, you can transform your Tesla Cybertruck into a full-blown camping unit. Perks include room for 2 adults and 2 kids, 500 watts of solar panels, and high-tech options like voice control. But there's a catch. The unit's weight, a hefty 680 kilograms, cuts the truck's range by 5%. So, do you think the CyberLandr is worth the investment? Let us know what you think. With simplicity and smarts, Relevant Buildings turned a regular shipping container into a complete tiny home. At 7.3 meters long and 3 meters wide, this home offers 22 square meters of living space, including a bathroom, bedroom, and kitchen. It runs on solar power and a propane generator, guaranteeing total off-grid independence. Water is filtered from lakes or rivers and stored in a 378-liter tank. With a design that withstands heavy snow and a wood-burning stove for warmth, it's the perfect choice for sustainable living. Don't let the simple exterior fool you. When a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 419 CD High rolls into the Kimberley camper's workshop, it transforms into a super-equipped motorhome. High-capacity batteries, hail-resistant solar panels, and a smart monitoring system are just the beginning. Inside, you've got a bathroom and shower behind the driver's seat, and a double bed that lifts up electrically to reveal a living room big enough for 6 people. With diesel-powered heating and hot water, this ride is ready for any adventure, any time of year. For a whole decade, Mint Tiny House has been making waves in the tiny home market in America and Canada. The Onyx 2630 model stands out as one of their latest creations. Blending sleek design and easy transport with all the modern comforts. At 24 square meters, this home sleeps 4 people. And even has a charming little porch. Inside, you'll find a sofa, heating, a fully equipped kitchen, and a bathroom. With a starting price of $121,600, do you think this tiny home fits your modern lifestyle? The Podform team is seriously trying to one-up the competition with their innovative pod studio design, calling it the smartest tiny home in the world. But does it deserve that title? Let's take a look. The Pod Studio boasts a long list of awesome features like Starlink access, 9.6 kilowatts of solar panels, and 30 kilowatt solar batteries. Its structure is designed to resist fire for up to 90 minutes, and it can withstand winds up to 44 meters per second. Impressive, right? But that's not all. The Pod Studio has amazing flexibility. It can expand from 19 to 42 square meters, and it sets up without a foundation in just 15 minutes. Plus, it's voice-controlled, while its windows display useful info like scheduled events and temperatures. If you want to experience this innovation yourself, you can take advantage of their Indiegogo campaign. For just $400, you can spend a night in a Pod Studio and test out all its features. Remember that classic James Bond flick, The Spy Who Loved Me? It was the inspiration behind the ANTHENEA, a floating capsule that looks like a flying saucer. This unique design is available for big-time clients like hotels, or for individuals who want to add an extraordinary touch to their vacations. ANTHENEA offers tons of customization options to fit each customer's needs. For example, the Suite model has a diameter of 9.4 meters and features a luxurious circular bed, a rooftop terrace that fits 11 people, and awesome panoramic windows that give you views of sunrise, sunset, and the underwater sea life. The price? It starts at $365,000. And if you're on the fence about buying, you can stay in it for one night for just $126 to experience this architectural masterpiece for yourself. Remember, every big thing starts small, and your next home could be one of these amazing inventions. Smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. We want to know, which home blew your mind the most?